Everyone, I'm Destiny from Capital Presence. I'm back again with what we call a Now 365 update, where we dive into the Microsoft Admin Center and we pull out all of these updates that Microsoft is pushing out, and we filter through them for you guys to present the ones to you that are going to be beneficial to your organization, to make your work easier, and focus on things that we're already using every day. So let's go ahead and jump right in today. I'm going to be discussing collaborative meeting notes that Microsoft is going to be implementing here in the near future. This feature is going to allow notes to really come to life to make your meetings more effective and efficient. Microsoft is improving on how you track what you're aiming to discuss in your meetings, what you have already discussed, and what you want to continue investigating or following up on. These capabilities are now integrated into the end-to-end meeting experience in Teams, Loop, Planner, To-Do, Office.com, and OneDrive for Businesses. This new detail should positively affect the function of your business. Users within the organization will be able to see a note button, like kind of on the side on the right pane of the meeting window, where they will be able to begin the utilization of the collaborative meeting notes. This is going to allow meeting organizers to add notes before the meeting to prepare the agenda of the meeting, to make sure that all of the information kind of like stays in one place. On top of that, real-time note-taking, users will be able to receive email notifications, and it will be synced to the Planner and the To-Do apps. This standard release is scheduled to roll out completely by late June, and there is nothing that you have to do to get ready for this. It's just going to automatically update when it officially rolls out. We are super excited for this to roll out because it's going to continue to maintain a good organization within the company and the meetings that we have online. And I hope you guys really enjoyed this today. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Hey there! Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for all the latest videos from Capital Presence.